partnership between Zahid Tractor Commercial Vehicles Division and UD Trucks came into place in January 2020. And since that time, Zahid Tractor has been selling, maintaining and servicing UD trucks across the kingdom with excellence. Within the first year of the partnership, the demand for medium and heavy-duty UD trucks has significantly grown. In order to meet this growing demand and as a sign of the company's commitment to investing in the future of the kingdom, UD Croner and Quester Trucks are now proudly assembled in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia at Zahid Group's state-of-the-art assembly facility, AVI, the Arabian Vehicles and Trucks Industry Company, at the King Abdullah Economic City.
From the outset of our journey with UD Trucks, our main objective has been to ensure that UD Trucks joins the League of Trucks Made in Saudi Arabia. A year since the brand's relaunch in Saudi Arabia, we're very happy to see that we are delivering on our plan, on our strategy. Today we are in King Abdullah Economic City, where the first truck of UD is rolling off the assembly line of our factory, Arabian Vehicles Industries. Zahid Group is significantly investing in the kingdom, have it be in our Zahid Business Park or in developing state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities driven by best-in-practice production systems. Our strategy is to grow and diversify with reliance on local talent. Most of our new ventures in the kingdom are driven by a localization roadmap that is fully aligned with Vision 2030.
AVI is actually the only assembly plant in the Volvo world where UD Trucks, Volvo Trucks and Renault Trucks is produced on the same assembly line. This is quite exceptional. This facility is focused on enhancing the kingdom's trucking and transport industries through the introduction of state-of-the-art Volvo Group shared technologies by using a common assembly sequence, making it possible to produce different brand of trucks with different properties, dimensions, attributes on the same line, aimed for different type of customers. AVI is also investing in the career development of female and male Saudi nationals, where already today we are close to 50% of the workforce is Saudi nationals, and more than 20% of the total workforce is females. In the management team, we have 60% of the workforce of our managers is actually Saudis. And with our ongoing training opportunities and career path planning, we are proudly guiding the kingdom's future industrial leaders to their full potential.
UD Trucks is a leading Japanese manufacturer of the UD Quester and Croner trucks. We are assembling today provide completed solution to the kingdom's transportation requirements.
Saudi Arabia is a very important and strategic market for UD Trucks. In February 2020, when we were celebrating the launch of the new partnership in Saudi between UD Trucks and Zahid Tractor, I promised that UD Trucks will be assembled in the kingdom. And 1 year later, here we are celebrating the assembly of the first UD Trucks in Saudi. With UD Trucks' reputation as strong Japanese player with a strong reputation based on quality and reliability, with Zahid Tractor professionalism and experience in the trucking business, with our wide, modern and complete medium-duty and heavy-duty range, and today with our local assembly in Saudi, we are convinced that we have everything to contribute to our customer success and to contribute to the kingdom prosperity. So today I am very happy, I'm very proud for this important milestone. And I take this opportunity to thank every single employee of Zahid Tractor, of AVI, of Volvo Group and UDTRUCKS who contributed to this fantastic achievement.
I have been working for UDTRUCKS for 29 years and for the Middle East region 9 years. I am very proud today to witness the launch of the first units of Quester and Croner coming out of this state-of-the-art KD factory in Saudi, which I can assure you is following the same quality standard as our mother factory in Japan. We are very proud to be the first Japanese manufacturer to assemble our full range of trucks with all the possible configuration in the kingdom. We assemble both medium-duty truck, Croner, and heavy-duty Quester, ranging from 11 to 18 tons. We can offer full automatic transmission for Croner and AMT for Quester. It is to satisfy a wide range of customer needs and segments. I am very proud to have been part of this journey with our partner, Zahid Tractor, and I will continue to do my utmost to support them, serve our customers in the best possible way.
Despite the challenges imposed by the pandemic, the factory management and technical worked diligently with Volvo Sweden and UD Japan and Thailand to come up with a remotely guided assembly training plan where several mobile trays, well-equipment with 5G communication routers, video cameras, microphones and other tools to conduct the needed preparation and training, so not to delay the rollout plans. With minor challenges and glitches, the collective team made it happen, and with flying colors. UDTRUCKS are being assembled for the future of the kingdom, by the future of the kingdom, with UD brand technology and Saudi Arabian excellence.